Bausch Lomb, Sensitive Eyes, Daily Cleaner, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Product Overview. Description: Cleans lenses. Removes deposits. Sterile. For cleaning and removing deposits from soft contact lenses. Sensitive Eyes Daily Cleaner loosens and removes accumulations of film, deposits, and debris from soft contact lenses in conjunction with thermal, heat, chemical, not heat, and hydrogen peroxide disinfection regimens. This cleaner may be used with extended wear soft contact lenses as often as daily or as recommended by an eye care practitioner. Suggested use: use Sensitive Eyes Daily Cleaner for loosening and removing deposits and debris from soft contact lenses. After removing the lens, place it in the palm of your hand, and place 3 drops of Sensitive Eyes Daily Cleaner on each lens surface. Rub the lens for 20 seconds. Be sure to clean both sides of the lens. Rinse the lens thoroughly with Bausch Lomb Sensitive Eyes Saline Solution. Disinfect using the procedures which your eye care practitioner has recommended. Other ingredients: a sterile, isotonic, buffered solution that contains hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, poloxamine, sodium borate and sodium chloride, preserved with edetate disodium, 0.5%, and sorbic acid, 0.25%. Warnings: if you are allergic to any ingredient in this product, do not use. Not intended for use directly in the eye. Keep this bottle tightly closed when not in use. Store at room temperature. Use before the expiration date marked on the carton and bottle. Discard any remaining solution within 90 days of opening. Keep out of the reach of children. See inside of cartoon for complete instructions and important safety information. Do not use if imprinted neckband on bottle is broken or missing.